All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter on your 2020 Nissan Rogue. This should probably be really similar if you have, I think it's a 2014 through 2020. So just follow along. It's really, really simple. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop the hood of your Nissan, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to go in on the driver's side and right down here, right there. Pull on that. That will pop your hood. Then your hood will be popped up a little. You're going to reach under your hood and push over on this, like that. And then just push up on your hood. Real simple. And then this little arm right here is attached to the top of your hood right here. You'll pull it out of there, and you can put that arm in right down here. There's a little arrow pointing to a little square hole. Just put it in there. Then your air filter is right back here. This is your air filter. You're going to see hooks on both sides, on the left and the right side. Kind of push that in with your hand, and then just take a screwdriver. Got to work this all off of here. Like that. There we go. Oh, there. All right. Once you get those unclipped there, you don't really have to worry too much about this one. Just pull up and it pops right out of there. Now it's really easy. Just unclip this one on the right. Like unclip it on the left, and then your air filter should come out, and it should not look like this. Holy buckets, that's the air filter. If it looks like that, it really needs changed. Now I'm going to just vacuum out. There's a bunch of leaves down in there. Right, now you can take, and I will put one of these down in the description, or just stop at one of your local auto parts store and tell them what year you have. And when you put your air filter down in there, you're going to look at it. It's kind of on an angle. You can't put it in upside down. The top of it's going to be a little wider toward the back and smaller at the bottom. It's going to look like that when I put it down in. Just slide it down in there. Should, if it doesn't push back up in there, you probably got it upside down. Oh, it's got that whole rubber gasket needs to be pushed up inside there, like that. All right, that whole rubber gasket needs to be pushed up in there when you put that in. Oops, don't push on the gasket part. All right, it looks pretty good. Because if you don't have that pushed up in there, this won't shut. Now I should be able to shut that. Latch these two latches. We can put this piece back on. It should just slide down over there again. Now this piece here has a little track right here and a track right there. One's going to slide over that piece of plastic, and one's going to slide over this piece of plastic right here. So it's pretty simple. You just need to know that that's sliding over it. And it should just slide right down over that. Like that. Make sure you get these latched back up. You'll see here on the right and left side. No, I got that one. There we go. All right, just make sure these little pieces are latched in there when you're done. Just kind of moving that around a little bit, play with it. It's not real hard, but you just got to move it around a little bit, and we'll have that one in place. And like I said, over here, that one's in place. That's in place. Everything is slid back in place. Like I said, I will have one of these down in the description. That's how you change your air filter on your 2020 Nissan Rogue. If this video helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, even if it's just saying thank you. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.